Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Raspberry Pi cases that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for affordability, durability, or premium features, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the iUniker ABS Pi 4 case, a budget-friendly option that packs some surprisingly solid features for just $9.99. This case is ideal for Raspberry Pi 4 users who want basic functionality without breaking the bank. One standout feature is the removable top cover, which allows easy access to GPIO pins and camera connectors. A great convenience for hobbyists tinkering with their Pi setup. It also comes with a 40mm quiet cooling fan and heat sinks that help keep temperatures under control even during high CPU loads. The case itself is made from ABS plastic, which is lightweight yet durable enough for everyday use. The sleek black design paired with the large fan gives it a modern, clean aesthetic that fits well on any desk or workspace. However, while the cooling system is adequate for most tasks, it may not be the best choice for sustained heavy workloads, as it relies solely on air cooling. Overall, this case is an excellent choice for anyone on a tight budget who still wants decent cooling performance and accessibility for their Raspberry Pi 4. The pros include its affordable price, convenient top cover design, and lightweight build. On the downside, it doesn't offer advanced cooling methods or premium materials, but for under $10, it delivers fantastic value for casual users and beginners. At number 4, we have the Muse Raspberry Pi 4 case, a mid-range option that offers a well-rounded package of features for Raspberry Pi 4 users. This case stands out due to its clear acrylic design, which not only protects your Pi board, but also lets you visually monitor its running status. It's a great choice for those who want a stylish and functional case for their setup. It comes with a 5-volt, 3-amp power supply that includes an on-off switch, making it super convenient to power your Pi without disconnecting cables. Cooling is another area where this case excels. It's equipped with a 30mm silent fan and 4 aluminum heat sinks, providing a double cooling system that ensures optimal temperature management even during demanding tasks. The case also offers easy access to all ports, including micro HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and the micro SD card slot. Assembly is straightforward, making it suitable for beginners. While the price wasn't available at the time of this review, the Muse case's feature set makes it a strong contender in the mid-range category. Its pros include stylish design, excellent cooling, and the inclusion of a power supply with safety certifications. However, the acrylic material may not be as durable as aluminum, and the lack of pricing transparency could be a concern for buyers. This case is ideal for home users and small projects that require a balance of functionality and aesthetics. Coming in at number 3 is the Geekworm aluminum case with passive cooling, a robust and heavy-duty option for Raspberry Pi 4 users. This case is perfect for those who prioritize durability and heat management without relying on active cooling systems. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it features built-in heatsink pillars and a copper heatsink for superior passive cooling. This makes it ideal for users looking to run their Pi silently, without a fan. The design is minimalist yet functional, with easy access to all ports, including GPIO interfaces and the micro SD card slot. The aluminum material not only provides durability, but also serves as a natural heat dissipator, making this case well-suited for high-performance tasks. At just $9.99, it's priced competitively against other passive cooling cases, offering excellent value for money in this category. On the downside, the lack of active cooling means it may struggle with temperature management during prolonged high CPU loads. Additionally, the heavier build may not be ideal for portable setups. But if you're looking for a sturdy, silent case with great passive cooling capabilities, the Geekworm aluminum case is hard to beat for the price. Taking the second spot is the Electrocookie Raspberry Pi 5 case, a premium aluminum mini tower case that combines style and functionality. This case is designed to look like a compact PC tower, making it a great choice for users who want their Raspberry Pi setup to stand out. The aluminum build provides excellent durability, while the RGB-lit PWM fan adds a touch of flair with ambient lighting that adjusts based on CPU temperature. One of its standout features is compatibility with the M.2 NVMe SSD shield, sold separately, allowing users to expand storage and achieve ultra-fast performance, a feature that advanced users will appreciate. The soft touch power button and easy access to all ports make it user-friendly, while the large cooling fan ensures efficient heat management during demanding tasks. Priced at $32.99, this case offers a great balance of aesthetics, build quality, and advanced features. However, the RGB lighting isn't programmable, and the fan may behave inconsistently depending on system temperature or OS availability. Additionally, this case is not compatible with Raspberry Pi 4. Despite these minor drawbacks, the ElectroCookie case is an excellent option for Raspberry Pi 5 users seeking a sleek, feature-rich design for home or professional setups. Finally, at number 1, we have the iRaspTech Basic Kit for Raspberry Pi 5, truly the premium choice in this lineup. This kit includes the Raspberry Pi 5 4GB board, a specialized ABS case, and an active cooler, making it an all-in-one solution for advanced users. The Pi 5 itself delivers incredible performance with a 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 processor, running at 2.4 GHz, and enhanced graphics capabilities via its Video Core 7 GPU. This setup offers dual 4K display output and advanced camera support, making it perfect for both consumer and industrial applications. The ABS case is lightweight and features a hollowed-out design for efficient heat dissipation. Its red and white color scheme is simple yet elegant, and the transparent power button allows users to monitor the Pi 5's status. Meanwhile, the active cooler, made from anodized aluminum, uses a PWM fan to maintain optimal temperatures during high-load operations. At $79.99, this kit is undeniably pricey, but it's worth every penny for users who demand top-tier performance and reliability. The pros include its cutting-edge Pi 5 board, thoughtful case design, and premium cooling system. On the downside, the price may be prohibitive for casual users, and the kit is tailored specifically for Raspberry Pi 5, limiting compatibility. Nonetheless, for professionals, educators, and enthusiasts looking for the ultimate Raspberry Pi experience, the iRaspTech Basic Kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.